Do not listen to TV shows that say chocolate lava cake is hard to make. It is surprisingly easy to make at home and comes together in less than 20 minutes. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So we're going to start by grabbing 4 equal-sized ramekins, and we're going to spread some butter and some flour in there to make sure that the chocolate lava cake doesn't stick on. Now grab yourself a medium-sized bowl and add in 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks. Oh, and I also got a double yolk. So that's like in every 1,000 eggs, there's 1 double yolk. So that's cool. Now grab a hand mixer or a whisk and start mixing the eggs. And while it's mixing, add in 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And if your egg mixture turns brown after you add the vanilla extract, don't worry, that's normal. After a few minutes, it's gonna go away. So here I have a boiling pot of water, and I'm gonna put a plate over it. This is like a homemade makeshift double boiler. If you have one at home, that will work for this. Now add in 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, about 50 to 60% cacao, and then add in 1/2 cup of butter that was cut into cubes. And now use a spatula to start melting the chocolate and the butter, and keep stirring, and make sure that your heat isn't too high or you're gonna burn the chocolate. Once your chocolate and butter is melted, you're ready to take it off the heat. Now add in your chocolate and then mix. And add in 2 tablespoons of flour, mix again. And that is your cake batter. Now grab your ramekins and evenly spread out your cake batter over the floor. And now you're ready to bake your chocolate lava cake. And now add in your chocolate lava cakes to an oven preheated to 450 Fahrenheit for about 9 to 11 minutes. For my oven, 9 minutes worked out great, but for your oven it might be longer. A way to know that your chocolate lava cake is ready, so grab your chocolate lava cake and jiggle it around. If the center is jiggly and the outside is not, then you know it's ready. Now grab a knife and cut around the edges of the bowl of the ramekin to make sure that when you flip it over, the chocolate lava cake doesn't stick. And to flip over your chocolate lava cake, just grab another plate and flip it over. And when you shake around the ramekin, the chocolate lava cake should come out. And now add on some powdered sugar. And I would add on some raspberries, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna add in 1 mint leaf on top. And now let me show you how gooey the chocolate is inside. That is really gooey. So now let's get on to the taste test. This is the easiest chocolate dessert. It's fudgy, it's gooey, and it comes together in less than 20 minutes. I hope you try this out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.